YouTube? Well, I'm out for my ride. I punched in Caddo Mills again just for the, I don't know, I got off early enough. It's probably like a, 650-mile round trip. So it's kind of crazy. But I want to see if they've broke ground on our property yet. My wife thinks I'm always crazy to do this because it's a long ride, and I go you got to go way east, but I'm doing it on these roads instead of going up through Dallas on 20, 635 to 30, and then straight east on that. So I'm doing it now, and then I can go straight north right up here when I get to Hearn. So it's going to be a little bit longer. It says it is 10:56 now. It says I'll get there by 3:08. So we'll see. 3:08's better. Last week I got there at 5 something and I didn't get out of there till 6. But what I did this time was chose my route from Caddo Mills back to Leander, so I'm taking pretty much the same route, so I won't take those stupid gravel roads and wooden bridges, and oh my god, that was terrible. So I'll get home the same. Well, I hope we don't get any rain. Looks like it's rain getting clouding up over here. It's already clouds up over here in the east. I don't know why. Hello there, YouTube. I'm about 15 miles from my where we're building our house in Caddo Mills. But there was a house up here that I looked at on Zillow for a long time, and I think it was like 3,800 square feet, full basement, and the basement was completely decked out. It was just as every bit as beautiful as the rest of the house. But it was green, and my wife didn't like green. But it was like huge, and it was like half the price of what we're building our house and shop for. So if I see it, I'll turn really quick. It's back in the woods. And it's about, well, it's probably a couple more miles. It's having me turn left here, but that's not where I want to go because there's no back road going into my neighborhood. It doesn't work. This takes me right to where I want to go. I don't know what high school that is. Right. Don't want to go right. Okay, it should be right up in here somewhere. Oh, maybe a little farther. I'll turn on when I get there. Bye. Well, I should have turned left because this is Quinlan and I need to go that way. But 34 takes me exactly where I need to go, I think. Well, maybe it doesn't. No, it takes me to Greenville. Okay, I'm going to go 276. That's what I did last time. We'll try it. Okay, it was Highway 36, not 34, because 34 goes right into Greenville. So this house I like this right up here. Well, maybe about 4 or 5 more miles. It's on this side of the road, and it's back in the woods, and it's green. You see a big green shop. I liked it, but my wife doesn't like green. And really, it was only like 5 more miles from my son versus the 10 we're on now. Let's see if I can see it. I'll slow down. Nope, not there. Should be up here pretty soon. I'll turn it on if I get to it. Bye. Okay, it should be coming pretty quick. I'm still 7.5 miles away from my house. It was really close. See if I can slow down. I really liked it. It's out in the country and it's not fish far from, it actually says Quinlan, but it's really close. Really nice house, outdoor kitchen, 3,800 square feet. Oh, no, there, that's it right there. Huh, just like the other one.